Do you feel like your kitchen is missing something that makes it a unique and memorable statement? Consider updating your pendant lights or adding pendant lights over your island. This small change can truly elevate your space in a big way. Our latest episode shares some of our favorite pendants that will be sure to make the statement that you're dreaming of. Pendant lights over an island can make a statement that can truly elevate a kitchen. Today we will share our top 5 picks for beautiful pendant lights. Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Sherry Douglas, and welcome to the Faith-Led Interior Design Show. So today's Be Blessed verse is Psalm 33, 1-3. Sing joyfully to the Lord, you righteous. It's fitting for the upright to praise him. Praise the Lord with the harp. Make music to him on the 10-string lyre. Sing to him a new song. Play skillfully and shout for joy. So honoring the Lord with our song is a significant way to worship him. I recall my early days of attending church when the music resonated deep within me and touched me. It touched my heart. At first, I was crying a lot even. It really touched me. The sheer beauty of the sound, the melody, the heartfelt lyrics made me believe that God really liked it too, that it was touching his heart up in heaven. Even now, I relish the opportunity to join together with others and worship the Lord through song. I just love the sound of a lot of people singing worship songs together, and that experience still resonates deeply within my soul. Before we start our episode, if you don't know, I'm a realtor and I have a brand new book, fresh off the press, and it's called How I Sell Homes Others Failed to Sell. So there's a link in the show notes or on my website under podcast at dcdouglasinteriors.com. And it's a special link for a free book for you, my clients, friends, and family. This book is chock full of tips, tricks, and professional advice on getting your home ready for sale and how you can get top dollar for your home sale. I also was recently written up on the front page of the OC Register, that's Orange County Register in Orange County, California, because I sold a home for $75,000 over the asking price in 4 days. We had a bidding war, and the book also talks about how you can possibly create a bidding war like that too. Anyway, I hope you really enjoyed the book and that it's informative in helping you sell your home in the fastest amount of time and for top dollar. So go to my website to the book link. I hope you enjoy it, and text or email if you have any questions. I'm in your corner and I'm always here to help you. Okay, for today's episode, we're talking about 5 beautiful pendant lights for your kitchen. So now it's time to select the right pendant light for over your kitchen island. Let's look at a few things. Some of the main questions I have been asked through the years are, first of all, you want to be sure and choose the right design style for your home. Of course, a simple contemporary style with a modern or contemporary home, or a dramatic pendant with a glam dramatic style home, or a woven type or something like that for a bohemian style home, and so on. So what size should a pendant light be over an island? The size can vary tremendously depending on your preferences and the size of your island and the size of your room. And whether you want smaller lights that you can kind of see through to the rest of the room, or you want a little bit larger lights that maybe are more statements and you don't see through them as easily. You may want 3 smaller pendant lights on a 10-foot island, or you may want 2 small pendant lights on an 8-foot island, or you may want 2 big pendant lights over a 10-foot island, but you cannot probably put 2 big ones over an 8-foot island. So start with your length of your island to determine what can fit above it. And another question is, where should a pendant light hang as far as height? The average height above the counter is usually 30 to 36 inches to the bottom of the pendant light. You'll have to use that as a guide and stand back and look and see what looks right to you. Most people hang them a little too high, so kind of keep that in mind, that you want to not get it too high where it's really more of a room lighting than a pendant light. So again, the standard above a countertop is 30 to 36 inches. And then, of course, it depends on the size of the pendant light, the color of the pendant light. A dark one would maybe make it feel heavier, and so the color does matter, and the space around the pendant light.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and bell so you are notified next time a new video is uploaded.
So let's look at 5 beautiful pendant lights, and I'll talk about them. And then if you want to see the pictures of them, just go to my website, dcdouglasinteriors.com, and go under the podcast section. Pendant light number 1 is a molten glass sphere pendant. And if you can picture kind of an uneven glass, it's molten, it's just cool looking. And the pendant light that I'm talking about here is a smoked glass. And it has a natural brass rod that goes up to the ceiling and fixture that's holding it together. It's approximately 9 inches in diameter, so it fits over an average 8-foot size island well. So you would probably want an island no longer than 8 foot for 2, and then you could even fit 3 of these above maybe a 10-foot island, somewhere in there. It uses one 60-watt bulb, so 2 will be 120 watts and 3 will be 180 watts total. And then usually there's ceiling recessed lighting above in addition to the pendant, so you get nice kitchen lighting from that. You want plenty of good lighting in your kitchen, because when at an island, sometimes people are sitting there, they're eating, or they're conversing with you, or the kids are doing homework there with you. They need really good lighting. So I like to err on the side of too much wattage and then put a dimmer so that I can change the mood of the room as needed with time. So that's a good trick to do, is just to get too much light and then dim it down to where you want it and create the mood that you're feeling like at the time. Smoked molten glass has an inherent beauty of variation in texture and size, and it's a stunning transitional piece. It goes along with every kind of style, or it can have a simple modern appeal. This lovely eye-catching organic form is suspended from a straight natural brass finished rod. Okay, pendant light number 2 is a black metal pendant. This one is like chains. Black metal, they look like beads. And so it looks like chains hanging down, a chain skirt from the top. But it's so pretty because the light kind of flickers through the chain and it creates this wonderful soft light. And again, on this light, there's a single bulb, the 60-watt bulb, like we talked about on the last one. The beaded design adds a unique touch and can add warmth and character to any space. The pendant measures about 28 inches high and is 10.5 inches around, making it a substantial statement piece for any room. The black metal finish and the industrial-inspired design makes it compatible with a variety of interior design styles, from modern and minimalist to rustic and industrial. However, the bohemian touch added by this curtain effect of the metal beads also makes it a perfect fit for more eclectic or boho chic spaces. This statement piece creates drama and is both stylish, dramatic, and functional. Okay, pendant light number 3 is a whole different look. It's a natural seagrass round pendant light. I love these natural grass type woven pendant lights. This natural seagrass pendant light is about 20 inches in diameter, and it's a stunning light that brings the beauty and tranquility of nature into the home. Handcrafted from natural seagrass, this pendant light features intricate woven pattern that exudes a warm, organic appeal. When lit, it casts a soft, inviting glow that can transform any room into a serene sanctuary. This type of dome pendant light normally looks best and most impressive over an island in a set of two. This helps distribute the light also. So again, this one probably would be used with a larger island because it's 20 inches and two of them would equal 40 inches. So probably two above an island with this look. Natural seagrass fits seamlessly into the coastal scene or the beach scene, which we have around us here in Southern California, where its seagrass construction echoes the textures found in the seaside environment. So it's very textural. It also works well in a tropical or jungle inspired interiors, adding a touch of exotic appeal. Its natural materials and handcrafted design align perfectly with the boho emphasis. In a rustic setting, the pendant's organic texture and color can complement other natural elements like wood and stone. It would look really, really pretty with wood and stone. This fixture's beautiful elements can bring a natural, calm, relaxation, and beauty into your home. Okay, pendant light number 4. This pendant light can be used outdoor or indoor, and it is a dome shape, black or white. It comes in black or white, and it is made of a natural rattan-like material that's woven to create a look of an organic basket. It makes up into a beehive shape. It's an impressive dome shade. It is perfectly at home among a coastal facade. It's a beautiful statement under a porch or other outdoor living space. Also, the beehive fixture can be used as a statement fixture or in pairs, again, for a bigger impact. And I love this because it's indoor-outdoor and it's constructed of very good quality materials so it can live among the elements. It has to have some lasting to it. And again, it comes in black or white. You will see both colors in the complete collection, which we will have a link on our website to other pendant lights also. Besides these 5, we'll have some extras on the website. Okay, and pendant light number 5 that we're highlighting is the traditional classic pendant light. This light is classic because it's beautiful and elegant. It has a clear glass column, so it's one of the taller and small around diameter with brass accents. So the brass is kind of reminiscent of the traditional styling. So it's a clear glass column and it's surrounded by elegant brass casing that's sure to please in almost any elegant setting. The appeal of this pendant light is it's classic and it's timeless. The sleek glass and brass construction makes it a perfect match for modern and contemporary interiors, where its clean lines and minimalist design can complement the overall aesthetic. However, it's equally at home in a more traditional setting where the brass accents echo classic elegance of time gone by. Pendant lights are not just about style, they're also about function. Pendant lights can provide ample illumination for tasks such as food preparation and dining, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. Plus, be sure to check the quality of the materials because that ensures durability and longevity, which can offer excellent value for your money. So are you ready to design a kitchen that's a beautiful reflection of you? We can help you. Reach out to us and let's chat. You can go to dcdouglasinteriors.com, scroll to the bottom on the home page, on the first page that you get to, and it all starts with a discovery call. I look forward to meeting you and helping you with the home of your dreams. And also, while you're on the website, you can find the investment guide and the perfect paint color guide. Or you may also want to get my new real estate book, How I Sell Homes Others Fail to Sell. And again, that's free on there for you. Special gift. In closing, I want to send blessings to you and your families. And as our verse for the episode says, be sure to sing to him this week. Play your instrument skillfully to him. Sing and dance. I know he's watching and loves that so much. So I love this verse and I want to sing to him and walk with him this week in spite of all that's going on. And I pray that the Lord's with you, delighting and rejoicing over you and singing over you this week too. Now stop dreaming, start designing your luxury home and within your budget. Blessings, and see you next episode.
If you're struggling to design or improve the interior of your home that mirrors your amazing self and within your budget, make sure to reach out. Email me at sherry@dcdouglasinteriors.com. Be sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Blessings until next time.